Alright, so you've seen Vera and Lily Charleston everywhere, right? Flowy dresses, cute tops, and that charming Charleston vibe. But is it actually what it claims to be? Or are you about to get duped? Let's break it down, fast. First up, the big question, is Vera and Lily Charleston legit, or just another online shopping trap? Consumer reviews for 2026 paint a pretty sketchy picture. Even though Charleston makes it sound local and trustworthy, the company's actually run overseas and ships directly from factories in China. That's a classic dropshipping move. Now let's talk about the products. Tons of customers say what shows up barely matches the photos online. We're talking thin, cheap fabrics, off colors, weird sizing and stitching that comes undone after one wear. Plus, those gorgeous pictures you see? A lot of people suspect they're either AI generated or straight up stolen from other brands. And if you're thinking, well, I can always return it, hold up. Here's the kicker, the hassle-free returns? Not so hassle-free. Most people find out they have to ship stuff back to China themselves. And guess what? Return shipping often costs more than the original order. Customer service? Let's just say, once you mention refund, their responses dry up pretty quick. Imagine emailing a brick wall. That's about the level of support you'll get. There are also warning signs hidden in plain sight. The name Charleston is pure marketing. There's no real store in South Carolina. Trust scores for their sites are super low, and they run identical stores under different names, like Lily and Kate Vancouver or Susan and Mary Charleston. Final verdict, it's not a total scam. You might actually get something in the mail. But it's definitely not the boutique shopping experience you're hoping for. If you want quality, real returns, and no drama, shop somewhere else. Subtitles. Is Vera and Lily Charleston a scam? 2026. Truth exposed.